Hi everyone! In this lesson, you'll practice giving the time.
In the next minute, you'll be challenged to ask and answer what time it is. First, let's look at some examples.
Lucía, ¿qué hora es ahora?
Son las 7.
Lucía, ¿a qué hora es la reunión?
La reunión es a las 11.
To ask the time, you can say,
¿Qué hora es?
to ask what time an event takes place, say,
¿A qué hora es?
followed by the event, like,
¿A qué hora es la reunión?
listen to a few more examples.
¿A qué hora es el concierto?
Es a las 3:30.
¿A qué hora es la clase?
Es a las 9.
Let's practice. You meet Emily. Ask her what time the concert is.
Es a las 3:30.
Now, meet Tom. Ask him what time the class is.
Es a las 9.
How did you do? You can consider this practice exercise successful if you were able to answer in the given time, and use the sentence pattern featured in the examples. Try this practice exercise again if you want to improve your fluency. To learn more vocabulary and phrases, access our Can Do video series by clicking the link in the description.
And that's it for this lesson. Great job! Now you know how to give the time. Go ahead and move on to the next lesson, and I'll see you there.
Now that you're finished with this lesson, want to know if your Spanish skills have improved? Take our free assessment test to assess your language. Discover your true learning level and get free access to a language course for your specific level. An easy-to-follow course where you learn the real language, the everyday conversations that you'll soon have, and absorb these practical conversations just by listening along, with quick audio and video lessons from real teachers. So click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get assessed.